What's up, everybody? Dr. Lee Brown here. Excited to share another exciting case with you guys this week. This one, really cool. Young man who has spent his entire life without his lateral incisors, had a removable appliance that he would wear to make sure there was something to fill in the gap with those missing teeth. And it was, it looks good, but it's tough. And he always knew it was there, and it's this mental block. And he's a great kid, but we wanted to help him grow his confidence, get over that hump, because who knows where that can lead in life if you're just a little bit more confident in your daily interactions. All right, so as you can see from the photo, started out no teeth there. He had this removable appliance, but it didn't look as good. It moves around. It's hard to get used to and talk and communicate confidently with that. So we were finally at the point where we could do something more definitive. We used something called a Maryland bridge. All right, so it was a very minimally invasive appointment in order to start this process. We made temporaries, made sure it looked good, and then boom, you can see from the final result, the color match perfect, fits great within his teeth, great symmetry, beautiful smile. He is poised to be super successful, not just because of how we helped, that was awesome, but because he's a great person. And I know this is going to help take him to that next level, in his career, personally, and everything else in life. So we wish him the best of luck. If you have questions or concerns about your smile or some similar situations with missing teeth, hit us up, let us know. We'd love to talk.